Welcome back to Radiant Moments, a J&B podcast. I'm Michelle, and it's a joy to have you here. Today, I'd like to invite you to make this time one of rest and reflection. Grab a cozy blanket or your favourite warm drink and settle in. Let this be your reminder that you deserve moments of stillness and care too. In each episode, we're here to uncover the beautiful, resilient parts of the caregiving journey. Those little sparks that keep us going even when things get tough. My hope is that you'll find not only inspiration, but also practical support to carry with you. Whether you're seeking comfort, insights, or just a moment to breathe, know that you're in good company. Together, we'll explore stories, strategies, and the strength it takes to thrive as a caregiver. So take a breath, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey of connection and self-care together. In our previous episode, we discussed visualization practices and the powerful connection to building resilience in caregiving. Today, we're continuing that theme by diving into the creative and empowering practice of creating a vision board, a tangible tool for caregiver self-care and goal setting. Creating a vision board may sound like a fun arts and craft project, but when done with the intention and purpose, it can become one of the most powerful tools in your self-care and goal-setting toolkit. Vision boards aren't just about cutting out images from magazine. They're about consciously curating a visual representation of the life you want to create for yourself. You may be wondering, why is a vision board important for caregivers? Well, let's explore that. As caregivers, our daily lives often revolve around the needs of others. While we do this out of love, it's common to feel as if our own dreams and goals get pushed to the background. The act of caregiving can sometimes lead to burnout or a sense of losing touch with who you are outside of that caregiving role. This is where a vision board becomes essential. A vision board brings you back to yourself. It reminds you that you have goals, dreams, and desires. It's a visual representation of the things that inspire you, the life you want to create, and the well-being you deserve. For example, imagine you're caring for your loved one full-time, and you've always wanted to pick up painting again, but haven't found the time. Including a simple image of a paintbrush on your vision board can be a gentle nudge to reconnect with that part of yourself. The beauty of a vision board is that it keeps your dreams alive, even in the midst of caregiving. Let's talk about how to get started with creating your vision board. The process is simple, but deeply personal. Here are the steps. Number 1, set an intention. Before you gather any materials, think about what you want to focus on. Is it self-care, career, relationships, personal growth, or all of the above? Your intention will guide the images and words you choose. This intention acts as your North Star, helping you stay focused on what truly matters. Number 2, gathering materials. You can use magazines, printouts from the internet, or personal photos. Don't forget to include words or quotes that inspire you. You might want to use images of nature if you want to reconnect with peace, or powerful affirmations if you're focused on building resilience. Number 3, find a quiet space. Creating your vision board is a mindful experience. Set aside time for yourself to focus on this process without distractions. Think of this as a mini retreat for your mind and spirit, a moment to check in with your goals and dreams. Number 4, focus on feelings, not just goals. When you choose images, don't just think about material things you want. Focus on how you want to feel, whether it's peace, joy, connection, or balance. Make sure your board reflects those feelings. For instance, if you want to feel more energized, choose bright, vibrant colors. Number 5, display it somewhere you see it every day. Put your vision board somewhere visible, whether it's in your bedroom, on your bathroom mirror, or even as your phone's lock screen. Seeing it daily will reinforce those dreams and goals in your subconscious mind. The more you're exposed to it, the more likely you are to take action towards those dreams. As caregivers, our vision boards might look different from others. Our lives are filled with unique challenges and goals. But that doesn't mean our dreams are any less important. Here are some ideas to consider for your vision board. Self-care moments. Include visuals that represent rest, relaxation, or hobbies you've neglected. This could be a cozy corner with a book or a spa day you've been dreaming about. These images will serve as a reminder that you deserve moments of rest. Health and well-being. Focus on your physical or mental health by adding images that encourage exercise, healthy meals, or mindfulness practices. It's easy to neglect our health when caring for others, but including these reminders can help you prioritize your well-being. Connection. Include visuals of family time, building your caregiving support network, or reconnecting with friends. This can serve as a reminder that you are not alone and that asking for help is part of self-care. Resilience and strength. Add quotes or symbols that remind you of inner strength. These will become powerful anchors on tough days when you need a little extra encouragement. Future goals. Even as caregivers, we all have dreams beyond caregiving. Maybe you want to return to school, start a new hobby, or travel. Include images of those future goals. It's okay to dream big, even in the midst of caregiving. Here's where things get really exciting. A vision board is not just a pretty collage, it's a powerful tool for goal setting. The act of regularly looking at your vision board trains your brain to focus on these goals, helping you naturally take steps towards them. You see, when we visualize our goals, our brains begin creating new neural pathways. That makes it easier to take action. It primes us to notice opportunities and find solutions, even when the path ahead seems unclear. It's like planting a seed in your subconscious that helps you move towards your dream, even on autopilot. For caregivers, this is especially crucial. Visualization helps you stay hopeful and focused on what you want, even when things are tough. It reminds you that while caregiving is a huge part of your life, it doesn't have to define your entire life. To truly benefit from your vision board, it's important to engage with it daily, even if it's only for a few minutes. Take 2 minutes each morning to look at your board. Close your eyes and visualize living out your goals. Feel the emotions of achieving them, whether it's peace, joy, or excitement. You can always meditate on your vision board, allowing it to center your thoughts and remind you of the bigger picture. Or take inspired action. Is there a small step you can take today to move closer to your goals? Whether it's scheduling time for self-care or reaching out to someone for support in your network, your vision board will serve as a daily guide. As you reflect on the process of creating a vision board, I encourage you to think about how this practice can empower you. By setting aside time to focus on your dreams, you're giving yourself permission to prioritize your own well-being, even amidst the challenges of caregiving. Remember, your vision board is not just about the future. It's about finding joy and purpose in the present moment. It's a reminder that you too are worthy of care, attention, and dreams. In our next episode, we'll be discussing practical strategies for integrating mindfulness into daily caregiving routines, including tips for managing caregiver stress and enhancing emotional resilience. Thank you for tuning into Radiant Moments. If today's episode inspired you, don't forget to share it with fellow caregivers, subscribe, and reach out to share your thoughts. Until next time, stay radiant, stay empowered, and keep dreaming big.